How to cancel Chaton AI subscription. To avoid being charged, please cancel your subscription before the end of the current period. If you've paid by credit card or Apple Pay, go to the Manage Subscription section to handle your subscription. Method 1. Cancel subscription via online. Look for the Chaton email sent to your registered email address. Go to the Manage Subscription section and log into your Stripe customer portal. Enter the email address where you received the payment confirmation email. You'll receive a link to follow for login. Follow the link in the email to log into your Stripe customer account. To cancel your subscription, tap Cancel Plan in your Stripe customer portal. Please specify the reason for cancelling and then tap Submit. Your subscription's auto-renewal will be cancelled, meaning you will not be charged again. If you paid using PayPal, log into your PayPal account and cancel your subscription.